have a problem with this one. I can see already. This is looking small. This is looking like I need help to put it on. What is this? Hi everyone, my name is Diamond and today I am back with 4-9 on the rating show, honey. And today we're going to be trying on some Skims. Because you know, Kim K's be delivering these Skims, honey. Let's get into it. Oh my days. Okay, I'm scared because what is this? What are those? Oh my gosh, they look tiny. Where's the rest of it? Oh my gosh. It weren't easy putting this on, but I've got it on. I really like the feel of this, like I really do. Listen, this is giving me the hips and body, 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 body. This is giving me legs, hips and body. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna try this on with a dress. Ooh, I like it. Oh my God. Mum of 5, where? I am really here for this one. I'm loving the curves. And it's like pushing my bottom up as well. Like, can you guys see that? It's really just pushing it up and doing fangs. And the reason why I like this one, right, because it's like the shorts. So it's also like pulling in all the cellulites around the thigh area. It's giving me a nice hourglass shape as well. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I love this one. Should we try the next one on? Let's do it. I can't close it. Every time I'm closing it, it's coming undone. We're gonna get through this. We've got it on, okay? It's all good. We've got it on. Okay, I love this one. I really like this one. In fact, I love the color on this one. It's just come undone again. It's literally just come undone again. Oh my goodness. Putting it on is so much hard work. Like, it's a lot of work. However, I do like it. I really do like it. I mean, I feel like it's sort of like holding in all the areas that I want to be held in. And it definitely is giving me the hourglass. So it's giving me the hips. It's just, I guess, the closure of it is a little bit difficult. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I literally had to get the back bit. I had to like put it in between the clappers. I'm not gonna lie to you, just to give me a little bit of extra fabric. I really did. And of course, it's sucking in all the areas that I need to be sucked in. I'm really here for this. I really like this one. I'm definitely here for it. Okay, honey, so I'm gonna try it on again with that same dress just to see what type of vibes this one is giving. And I'm here for it. I'm here for this one as well. I had to like tuck in the extra fabric because it wouldn't, so I did have to like tuck in the extra fabric. But aside from that, I'm absolutely here for this one. I love. We're gonna have a problem with this one. I can see already. This is looking small. This is looking like I need help to put it on. Okay, so I'm definitely here for this one because whereas the previous one wasn't really giving like that thong underwear bit, this one is. So I don't need to like have to tuck in the extra bit of fabric because it is a thong, right? This one looks like this. What do you guys think of this one? This one is really nice as well. I would definitely wear this one as just a bodysuit. This is what the back looks like. It's quite fancy, isn't it? Look at that. I did sort of like kind of badmouth it at the beginning. I was just like, this looks wrong. This is not gonna fit. This is tight. This is all sorts. But now that I've actually got it on, I'm really loving it. I'm so loving it. Kim K knew what she was doing. That's what I'm saying. Kim K's in her bag with these Skims. So this is it, just really quickly with my leggings from earlier. And it's like double layered. I'm loving it. It's double layered. It's not like thin, cheap material. It's not cheap material. This is nice. It's luxury. This is giving. I love it. What is this? What is this? This is the bralette bra that I picked up to go with the itty bitty little knickies. The itty bitty little knickies. And listen, these are see-through. Like, I mean, these are see-through. You guys are not about to see my areolas. I'll be back. No, I'm loving this because it's literally giving me like curves. I might also walk around like this with the amount of curves I have. I'm going to the shops. I'm going to buy milk. I'm going to the shops. I'm back from the shops. Like, no, because it's really giving just... At first I was bugging out. I was like, oh my god, like the sizes I got there a little bit off. But once I've had it on, once I've got it on my body, it's actually okay. It worked out okay. My name is Diamond and it was a pleasure showing you the shapewear from SKIMS, okay? Comment down below. I want you guys to sound off in the comment section. Sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you guys thought about the shapewear. Also subscribe to 49 and I'll catch you on another one. Mwah. Bye.